Put a lime in the toilet bowl before you go to sleep, and the next day, you won't believe the result. If you thought that lime was only used to preparing drinks and seasoning salads, know that you are wrong. Its uses go far beyond that, and that's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. But before I tell you what it's for putting a lime in the toilet bowl, let me show you other different uses of lime that I bet will be very useful in your day. Remove excess salt. If while preparing your food, you notice you used too much salt, lime can help you with that. For this, just add a few drops of lime and let it cook for a few more minutes. After some time, you'll notice that the food is not as salty anymore. Hardened sugar. When you store sugar, it is very common for some parts to become hardened. In some cases, we even have to throw it away because it's too hard. This happens because the grains lose their natural moisture. So they end up drying out and forming larger lumps. To prevent this from happening, just use lime. Actually, you'll use the lime peels. Just place them with the sugar, and besides keeping the environment more humid, the peels also keep insects away. This ensures longer-lasting stored sugar. Remove microwave odor. To remove strong odors from the microwave, like the smell of fish, pizza, egg, or even burnt smells, the lime can also help you. For this, add 1 cup of water to a glass container, then 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. Squeeze the juice of 1 lime and add the pulp. Take this solution to the microwave and heat for 3 to 5 minutes. After some time, leave the microwave door open to let the steam out, and the bad smell will go away with it. Now that you've learned some different uses of lime, it's time to show you what putting it in the toilet bowl is for. For this, first take a lime and cut it in half. Then cut it into pieces, just like I'm doing here. Once that's done, use a disposable mask. Remove one of the elastic bands, then make a cut in that part. Put the lime pieces inside, then close it with the other elastic band. It should look like this. Now just attach it to some part of the toilet tank. It's important to leave it in direct contact with the water. And for those who don't know, lime is an excellent cleaner and antibacterial agent. With each flush, a bit of its essence will be released, which is going to help eliminate germs and bacteria from the toilet bowl, preventing that unpleasant smell of urine. It will also leave a fresh scent, thanks to the acidic properties of the fruit. This tip is very useful, especially if you don't have much time to clean your bathroom. It will certainly help you keep your bathroom looking cleaner. So that's it. I hope you liked it. Now let us know which of these lime tips you liked the most and which one you didn't know before. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.